In English, we often use if sentences, also called conditional sentences, to talk about situations and their results. These sentences usually have two parts: the if clause, the condition; the main clause, the result. There are four main types of conditionals. These are called in English grammar as zero, first, second, and third conditional. Now let us focus on the zero conditional. The zero conditional is used for things that are always true, general facts, rules of nature, or scientific truths. The structure is if plus present simple, present simple. For example, if you mix red and blue, you get purple. If people don't eat, they get hungry. If you press the switch, the light turns on. Both parts of the sentence use the present simple tense. So remember, the zero conditional is for facts and things that are always true. Now let us focus on more examples.